Hey guys, Mike Volkin here from Freelancer Masterclass. I'm making this video today short on purpose because there's a lot I could talk about on this topic and I want to stay very, very focused. The title of this video is How to Make Money Online Fast with Upwork. Of course, someone who has been on the homepage of Upwork and makes a decent amount of money on Upwork could talk a lot about this. But I want to keep it short. I want to keep it sweet and give you the top 5 things that you need to make sure is done in order to make money fast on Upwork. Number 1, you should have your profile 100% complete. Now, I've had people, after I say this in my masterclass, come to me and say, Mike, check out my profile. I check it out and it's 92% complete. Even though the very first rule is to make it 100% complete. Upwork does not want to serve your profile to prospects that is not complete. So make it 100% complete. And you can see the little completion number as you're building your profile in the edit mode, okay? Has to be 100% for you to get any visibility or any decent visibility on Upwork. Number 2, did you set up your RSS feed for job alerts, right? If you go into the find work and you set up your keywords, in that section, you'll see a little RSS button or an atom button. The RSS button allows you to get feeds that email you whenever that particular search has a new job posting. All right, you have to do that because oftentimes the first person to apply for the job that fits the criteria will get the job. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be the right person for the job. It's the first person that fits the criteria, okay? Number 3, did you apply to 10 jobs today? You can't expect to get fast jobs from Upwork having clients email you or having prospects email you, okay? So did you apply to 10 jobs? Go out and look for the jobs on Upwork and then actually send out proposals. And speaking of proposals, number 4 is, are your proposal letters customized? All right, are you just blasting out like a lot of the overseas programmers do, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh? Sorry to call you guys out, but I'm so sick and tired of seeing the same cut and paste proposal. It's like you didn't even read the job description. In fact, I just posted a job yesterday, big capital letters with asterisks saying, do not email me through my website or your job will be, or your proposal will be automatically deleted. What happens? I get 4 proposals from India straight to my inbox email, and then 1 from Pakistan and 1 from Bangladesh. 6 proposals, people trying to circumvent Upwork and email me directly through my website, even though in all capital letters, the first line was, do not do this. But they still did it. So if you want to separate yourself from the competition, your proposal should be customized and spend 10 seconds actually reading the proposal. That person that proposed the job wants you to respond to certain questions or do things in a certain way. Sometimes at the bottom they say put this in the proposal just to make sure you read it. So be sure to do that. And number 5, did you do a screen share video for your proposal? Something like I'm doing now with loom.com. Even Drift has a screen share option. But introduce yourself in a unique way to the proposal writer. So I'm sorry, to the job poster. You're the proposal writer. But do a screen share video to put that name with a face and give something a little bit unique that shows that you spent time reading their job post and showing how qualified you are. Okay, good luck with this. Hope this makes a difference.